Welcome to another edition of our dezignsbyt tutorials. Today I'm going to talk a little about how to back up your website in 3 minutes or less. The first thing we're going to need to do is create a folder on our desktop where we will store the files that we will be backing up. So I'm going to right click and select new folder, and I'm going to go ahead and name it website backup. Okay, perfect. The next thing we're going to need is an FTP program, and as I've mentioned in previous videos, I'm a big fan of FileZilla, which you can download for free from filezillaproject.org. So now that we have our FTP program open, we're going to go ahead and connect to the website that we will be backing up. If you do not have any websites pre-programmed into your FTP program, you can go ahead and use these fields at the top and click the quick connect button to connect. Okay, so on the right hand side here we've connected to the hosting server and we have a listing of all the files on our hosting server, and to the left we have files on our computer. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the desktop because that's where that folder is, and we're going to go to website backup. And as you can see, the folder is empty because there's nothing in there yet. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is copy the files from over here. So we're going to start at the top and highlight the first file with our mouse. By clicking the Shift key and the down arrow, you can select the entire list of files like this. Of course, you'd go ahead and select all the way to the bottom, but for the sake of time, I'm just going to select this group of files. Then you're going to right click and click download, and as you can see, the files will begin to move from the hosting server to the file on our computer. And that would be my twirl in the background, and it may continue to ding through the remainder of this video, so please ignore it. I apologize. Okay, so now that the files are finished copying, we're going to go ahead and confirm that they are in the folder on our desktop. So we're going to go ahead and minimize this. A lot of tweeters today. And we're going to double click the website backup file. And as you can see, our files are in there. So we've successfully backed up our website in less than 2.5 minutes. And this is how you back up your website.